Hi, so this is my second part of my series on finding the center and scale factor of dilations. I didn't want everyone to have to just sit through a whole thing while I explain dilations if you want to learn the center. So in the description of both videos, I'll put a link to the other. Okay, so and this time we're finding the center of dilations. So no steps because every problem is different, but just remember to use common sense and read the problem carefully. So this uses skills that I talked about in the other video. So if you don't know what I'm doing here, then I'd recommend watching the other video, but I'll try to clarify as much as possible. Okay, so triangle L prime is the image of triangle L under a dilation. So first we need to figure out what the dilation actually was. So L prime, first of all, we know it can't be either C or D, because we know it can't be C or D because C and D are both in between the two triangles, and they need our candidate for which one is the triangle has to be in a straight line with both of the points. So just looking at this, I'm gonna use you can use lines sometimes, but I'm just gonna use the points here. So if you can see, this is actually kind of a loophole. So there's a straight line between A, L prime, and L, which means A must be it. Because if B was our candidate for the center of dilation, then when L moved, it would have moved closer into B, not just closer into A. So the answer is A. Alright, I'll do a few more. So triangle K prime is the image of triangle K under a dilation. So what is the center of dilation? Okay. So again, remember, if it just gives you the 2 points, all you have to do is draw a line. So again, the line moves straight into A. So the center of dilation is A. Okay, and it gave us a point again. So this one, though, is a little more difficult because while it gives us a point, it's kind of harder to figure out since the points aren't in a straight line as much. But if you can tell, the lines can't be made so that they both go into D. They can't possibly be made to go into B or A. So if you look at it, there's a straight line that goes pretty much through them into C. So C is the center of dilation. Okay, so triangle N prime is the image of triangle N under a dilation. So again, we're getting lucky here. So yeah, pretty much just all you really have to do is draw a straight line between any of the 2 points and look for where that straight line intersects with one of the candidates for the center of dilation. And you can also use some tips from the video we're learning dilations for to find the scale factor if they don't give you points, but hopefully they'll give you points because as you can see it makes it pretty easy. So the answer is D, of course. Alright everyone, so thanks for watching. If that confused you, remember to watch the other video on scale factor. If it didn't, that's great. So good luck on your homework. Alright, bye.